Namaste, Om Shwastiastu. I am Pompey Paul, welcoming you in the program presented by Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center, Bali, to celebrate the auspicious day, Guru Purnima. First of all, I would like to invite the Director of Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center, Bali, Sri Manohar Puriji, to share few words with us.
Namaste, Om Swastiastu. Friends, today I am here to welcome all of you in this celebration of Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is a spiritual tradition dedicated to spiritual and academic teachers in every field. This festival is traditionally observed by Hindus, Buddhists and Jains to give respect and repay their debts to the chosen spiritual teachers and leaders by expressing their gratitude. This festival is celebrated by Buddhists in honor of Lord Buddha, who gave his first sermon on this day at Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, India. According to Hindu ethos, on Guru Purnima, Lord Shiva, the original teacher, started the transmission of yoga to the Saptarishis. This is also celebrated as Vyas Purnima in the honor of the great Rishi Vedvyas, who is known to be greatest Guru of India and in honor and the author of Mahabharata. According to Hindu calendar of India, the festival is celebrated on the full moon day, Purnima, in the Hindu month of Ashad. Recently, this festival was revived by Mahatma Gandhi in honor of his Guru. I take this opportunity to wish our viewers Happy Vyas Puja Day. Om Shanti Shanti Om.
Thank you, sir, for your wishes. As sir said, on Guru Purnima, devotees worshipped their spiritual Guru. We dancers too dedicate the day for our Nritya Guru, dance teacher. So for today's program, we are presenting some beautiful classical dance performances of some dancers from India and Indonesia. And they will also share their experiences on Guru Purnima. Let's welcome today's first performer from Bali, Indonesia, Kathak dancer Srimati Pooja Bhatnagar ji. Pooja ji, namaste.
Namaste, Pompey.
Thank you for accepting our invitation. Please share something about your experience on Guru Purnima and also say something about your today's performance.
Thank you, Pompey and Shri Manohar Puriji, for inviting me to perform on this beautiful day of Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is an occasion where the students renew their special bond of commitment towards excellence in arts to their gurus. Today, I am performing along with my students Chinta, Tivin and Lakshmi, a sargam composed and choreographed by my Kathak teacher Shri Rajendra Kumar Gangani ji. So here is the sargam.
Such a nice performance we enjoyed. Let's welcome today's next performer, Sri Pritam Das from New Delhi, India. He is a Bharatanatyam dancer. Let's welcome him. Namaste Pritam.
Namaste, ma'am.
I hope you are fine. Please share with us how you are dedicating your Guru Purnima day to your Guru, and also share about your dance performance.
Thank you, ma'am. Firstly, I would like to say that I'm so grateful and thankful to Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center for giving me this wonderful opportunity to dance on this auspicious day, Guru Purnima day. I have started learning Bharatanatyam under the guidance of Srimati Joita Ghosh. She has introduced me to this beautiful world of Bharatanatyam, and I have enjoyed each and every moment learning with her. I have received intensive dance training from my teacher Sri Shamrat Dotto. He is a perfectionist and he wanted us to be the same. I have noticed remarkable changes in my dance after learning with him for a couple of years. I'm really privileged to have Joita Di and Shamrat in my life as my gurus. I have been following Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan for so long, and I have never imagined that I will get her as my guru. She inspires me every day, every second, not only in dance, but in every aspect of being an artist. Say for the creativity part, the punctuality, attitude, sensitivity towards everything around us. She believes in me in times when I don't. And she creates a fun-loving, joyful environment, and the growth happens even without noticing. I'm really privileged to have Rama ma'am in my life as my guru. And I would like to say that I'm so grateful to all my gurus and teachers for teaching me so generously and for guiding me to the right path. Today, I will be presenting Madhurashtakam, a kriti of saint poet Vallabhacharya. Jatis have been composed by late Vidwan Sri Karekudi Shivakumar sir. Dance choreography by my guru Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan. Due to this pandemic situation, it is not possible to go out and celebrate. So I'm thankful to Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center for giving me this opportunity to dedicate my dance to the lotus feet of my gurus and teachers. Thank you so much. Once again, I'm so thankful to all my gurus and my teachers. And for me, they are same as like Lord Krishna. And this kriti talks about the sweetness of Lord Krishna. And I think my gurus are as sweet as Lord Krishna. Thank you. Namaskaram.
Thank you for sharing your experiences. Let's enjoy Pritam's performance.
बृन्दावन परितज्य पादम् एकं न गच्छति 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 परित्यज्य पादम् एकं न गच्छति वृन्दावनं परित्यज्य पादम् एकं न गच्छति अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरम् अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरं वृन्दावन परित्यज्य पादम् एकं न गच्छति
तज्जं तजं तनं तकजं तजुं यदिं तज्जं तजं तनं तकजं तरुं यदिं तजं तनं तरुं यदिं तजं तनं तरुं यदिं ता तकदिग तदिं येन तता तकतदिं येन तकतदिं येन तता तद्दिं येन तद्दिं येन तद्दिं येन तता
वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरं वृन्दावन परित्यज्य पादम् एकं न गच्छति
ततन तन ततन ता तनं तदि तजुनु जुनु तजुनु ता तनं तदि ततन तन ततन तजुनु जुनु तजुनु तदिमि दिमि तदिमि तकि 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 ततन ता ततन तजुनु ता ततन तजुनु तदिमि ता ततन तजुनु तदिमि तकि तता कडतक दरिगिडदुम ता कडतक दरिगिडदुम ता कडतक दरिगिडदुम
वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरः पाणिर्मधुरः पदौ मधुरो वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरः पाणिर्मधुरः पदौ मधुरो नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरं वृन्दावन परित्यज्य पादम् एकं न गच्छति
तद्दित् तदीग तकता कडतक दरिगिडदुम तकदित् तदीग तकतै कडतक दरिगिडदुम तद्दित् तदीग तकता तकदित् तदीग तकतै तद्दित् तदीग तकदित् तदीग तदीग कडतक दरिगिडदुम तदीग तक कडतक दरिगिडदुम तदीग तकतिक कडतक दरिगिडदुम
गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भोक्तं मधुरं सुप्तं मधुरं गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भोक्तं मधुरं सुप्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरं वृन्दावन परित्यज्य पादम् एकं न गच्छति
तद्दित् तडिक टिटिक डिंग तकिट तत्तलों गुतुम तकदित् तटिक टिटिक डिंग तकिट तत्तलों गुतुम तटिक टिटिक तक तत्तलों गुतुम डिंग तकिट तक तत्तलों गुतुम तटिक टिटिक डिंग तकिट तलों गुदिंग नतुम तलों गुतदिंग नतुम तलों गुतदिंग नतुम
गुञ्जा मधुरा माला मधुरा यमुना मधुरा विजे
no kuta tane kudana dana dana kupina kujana kutaka tano kutaka tane kudana dana dana kupina kujana kutaka no kutaka tane kutaka tano kuta tane dana 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 kutaka tiketato gena kutaka ding genato jana kutaka ding genato
गोपा मधुरा गावो मधुरा यष्टिर्मधुरा सृष्टिर्मधुरा गोपा मधुरा गावो मधुरा यष्टिर्मधुरा सृष्टिर्मधुरा दलितं मधुरं फलितं मधुरं दलितं मधुरं फलितं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरम् वृन्दावन परित्यज्य पादम् एकं न गच्छति
taditta ditta kadakadakadum takaditta kadakadittai dittai kadakadakadum ditta kadakato kadakadakadum ditta kadakato kadakadakadum ditta kadakato kadakadakadum
गोपी मधुरा लीला मधुरा युक्तं मधुरं मुक्तं मधुरं गोपी मधुरा लीला मधुरा युक्तं मधुरं मुक्तं मधुरं दृष्टं मधुरं सृष्टं मधुरं दृष्टं मधुरं सृष्टं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरम् 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 अखिलं
After the wonderful performance by Pritam Das, now it's time for another young and beautiful dancer from Jalpaiguri, India, Srimati Ivana Sarkar. She's a Manipuri dancer. Let's welcome her. Namaste, Ivana.
Namaskar.
Today is a very special day for all of us, for all Shishyas. So, how you are spending your day? Please share with us.
Today is Guru Purnima, an auspicious day, and I believe that a single light is enough to change a human being, life itself. I learned from my Guru Srimati Kalavati Devi and her daughter Srimati Vibhavati Devi, and I am very fortunate to have them as my mentor, as my guru.
What you are going to perform today?
I am going to perform Radha Roop Varnan. Here she is described as the epitome of beauty and grace. She is Murati Sringarini. Poetically, she is compared here as honey, pearls and jasmine. Dance composition by Guru Bipin Singh. Radha Roop Varnan.
All the best for your performance.
सुहानन्दिनी श्याममोहिनी राधिके कनयसुतबाण कान्तिकलेवर किरणचितकमलाधिके भङ्गि सहजै कतचित् কামকত শত মোহিতে ভঙ্গি সহজই বিচুরি কতচিন কামকত শত মোহিতে যিনি আপনি বনিবে নীলম্বিত কবরী মালতী সহিতে सात सात रे सा सात रे सा सारे कप रे सा सात रे सा सारे सात सात पद पग कप रे गप ध ध प सात 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 प सारे सात सात धप धप गप रे सा रे सा रे सा रे सा रे सा रे বদন কত ইন্দু নিন্দিতে মন্দ আদ হাসি কুন্দ প্রকাশী বিচুরি কত শত ঝলকিতে রতন মন্দির মাঝে সুন্দরী বসনে আধমুখ ঝাঁপিয়া দাস গোবিন্দ প্রেম মাগয়ে সই চরণ সমাধিয়া
After all those beautiful performances, now it's time for me to say something about my performance and about my guru. I have learned two different classical dances, Kathak and Odissi. I learned Kathak from my guru, Guru Runu Bhattacharya, and Odissi I am learning under the guidance of Guru Paushali Mukherjee. Guru Purnima is a special day for all of us. And I'm also spending the day with my guru every year. Today, I'm going to dedicate my performance to my guru, Paushali Mukherjee. I'm going to present one of her composition. It's a Shiva Stuti. The music composed by Sachidananda Das and Sumanta Mahanti, based on Raga Chandrakosh and Tal Malika. In this dance composition, my guru beautifully choreographed with the stories of Puranas and Mangal Kavya. I hope you all will enjoy my performance.
स्रष्टा पाता च संहर्ता च साक्षात् परमा भयं त्वं वन्दे परमेश्वरान् जगद्गुरु शिवं शिवं जगद्गुरु शिवं शिवं जगद्गुरु शिवं शिवं जटाकटा हसंभ्रमं भ्रमाम्नि परिझरि विलोलबीचि बल्हरि विराजमानमूर्धनि जटाकटा हसंभ्रमं भ्रमाम्नि परिझरि विलोलबीचि बल्हरि विराजमानमूर्धनि धगत् धगत् धगज्ज्वाला ललाटपट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रति क्षणं मम धगत् 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 ज्वाला ललाटपट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रति क्षणं मम जयो तद्धो बिभ्रभुजं गमं सोहिनी गमक्रमे पुरत्कराल भालहव्य पाटजोलम् द्रिमिक् 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 तोनं मृदङ्गतुङ्गमाङ्गला द्रिमिक् 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 तोनं मृदङ्गतुङ्गमाङ्गला ध्वनिक्रमे प्रवर्तिता प्रचण्डताण्डवा शिवा प्रचण्डताण्डवा शिवा प्रचण्डताण्डवा शिवा नमामि पार्वतीपति नमामि जाह्नवीपति नमामि चन्द्रशेखर नमामि रक्तलोचन नमामि भक्तवत्सल नमामि दुःखमोचन तदीयपादपङ्कज स्मराम्यहं महेश्वर तदीयपादपङ्कज स्मराम्यहं महेश्वर तदीयपादपङ्कज स्मराम्यहं महेश्वर स्मराम्यहं महेश्वर स्मराम्यहं महेश्वर 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 ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय शिवाय
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Guru is the creator, Guru, from whom we learn how to sustain in this world. Guru, who destroys all the bad things among us. In our whole life, we must respect our Guru. We must listen what our Guru says. We must dedicate our life to our Guru. With this note, I am concluding this program. Thank you for watching the program. Do subscribe our YouTube channel ICCR in Bali and like our social media pages SBCC Bali and ICCR in Bali. Thank you for watching. See you in the next program. Till that time, Terima kasih.